we got the Zex Wet Nitrous Kit from American Muscle. I've already opened it because I got way too excited. And so here, I think there's 3 boxes in total. 1 box, 2 box, and 3rd box. Okay, well, the big box. The big box, obviously, there is a big old bottle of fun time.
Big old bottle.
This is what you call happiness in a bottle. Okay, you can. I don't know how to open boxes now. Alright, so we got a lot of lines. So we got instructions here. We don't need none of that, man. Nope. We'll just look it up on YouTube. That's why you're watching. So we got some braided line for, I would think, your fuel. And we got more for your, we have your fuel management system here. We got wire. We got the switch. And then a little not switch as well. We got more hardware for fittings. We got the jets in here for your fuel and nitrous. Got a hose, hardware. We got a long braided for the nitrous to this guy, the fuel management system. So we got that. I think that's 16 foot. And then we have the clamps that hold the bottle, which I don't want to touch. That thing is huge. Just look at the bottle. That's some horsepower in a bottle. I really do want to do a turbo though. Alright, so they have the nitrous fuel management 10-pound bottle. It's always unfilled. Clamp, blah blah blah, jets. And then I think it's like you have a 125, it's a 75, 100, and 125 shot. So all those for like the .206 should be the 75. And then blah blah blah, goes on. And then you just have to put fittings on, blah blah blah, instructions, which I'm not going to read. I'm smart. Oh, here we go. Here's a picture. You just do all that and you'll be good to go. But I think I can install this tomorrow because it's pretty late right now. And I'm a little tired after fixing the Mustang. But for right now, I'm just going to look at the bottle. I don't know where I was looking. Was I looking at me? Okay, for now I'm just going to look at the bottle until I fall asleep and just pass out with it cuddled in my hands. So that's for today. So let's go to tomorrow. Day 2. Alright, today is going to be nitrous install day. It's pretty nice out, as you can see. And I'm kind of excited. Last night, the trunk's shutted. You want to open the trunk? Yeah. Last night, I said the button. Gosh. Last night I went ahead and ran the line here. I might be able to show you that, but I don't know. And this I might move. I got really creative and thought I could weld. The welding's fine, but like the angle is not okay.
Yeah, right here. Since you gotta have it down underneath. Just kind of decent amount of tension right here, so might just move it over here so it's a little less.
Yeah, just like close to here, so like we can just push that all the way down and not have so much room here to go up. But right now we are going to be doing the hard part and installing this guy, the jets and all that awesome things. So I really need to start reading the instructions. Like, to be honest, I don't want to read it. I just want to do it my own way and see if that works. So I'm gonna.
It hasn't really failed you yet.
I mean, it hasn't, but it has technically because I haven't read it. And the first time we ran the line, it was kind of short.
Yeah. Well, that wouldn't have said in the instructions, so that was just more or less. I should have tested it first.
All right. The only thing I really need is the screwdriver. Take these 2 off, and then we'll figure out which. I want to move this too because it'll probably look a lot better right there. But I'm gonna figure this out and I will get back to you. Donovan's over there. He's gonna jack up his car. And what are you doing? Hanging up the exhaust?
Yeah, just until we get all the tools to drop the springs and get the exhaust out.
Yeah, cause we're gonna do like I think I said that in the earlier video, right?
Yeah.
Where we cut that muffler off and then we weld it. Don't show the pipe. Don't show it. We gotta finish welding it, but he unbolted his already. Put it down.
It's not bad.
Alright, now I'm hooking up the management unit right here, which, I mean, the more and more I do this, the more and more I get, like, really, really excited. But the nitrous in, right here, this is where the lol. The nitrous bottle would be supplied to is right here, that type. Then the fuel would be right here. And then the fuel is going to be ran right to the fuel rail right here, which I believe I just take that out and hook it up. But I'm going to keep reading. That's here. And then obviously we need to find a 12 volt constant. This white goes into your TPMS, and the black is obvious a ground. They give you all the connections for that, which is awesome. And then now I'm going to finish up putting the lines on, which I'm going to have to take this out to run these guys because it's just kind of in the way and I don't really want to use it. So that's the next step. So see, like here we got the nitrous supply bottle. Nitrous fuel. To be honest. To pure. See, I even cleaned that side. Look how good that looks.
Yeah, it does.
That's a lot cleaner than this side. Like, kinda. Besides that dirty stuff right there. But that's so much cleaner. I wanted, if I'm gonna touch something that's dirty with a clean nitrous line, you know what I mean? But next is gonna be running those two lines here and then the fuel, obviously. So that is the next step. So I might be able to drill and tap that tonight. I should be able to, but I don't want to yet because I don't have the correct drill bits. My dad does, so I might have to run over there and grab some drill bits for that. So that is the next step. Let's hook up the fuel line. Should I hook up the fuel line now or later?
I mean, it's not going to make a difference to it now, will it? Since you don't actually have nitrous in the bottle yet.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. That'll just be going in there. But, like, that should be fine, right?
I would maybe wait until you get nitrous filled and then hook up the fuel. I'd hook up all the other stuff to the air filter first.
Yeah, because it's not like that won't be hooked. Well, I'm confused now because if that's hooked up, does that mean that's going to be spraying air? And no, I have to.
Well, no, because you can just keep the bottle closed.
Yeah, but what about the fuel? Does fuel get sprayed in there too, or how does that work?
Well, there's no way fuel's coming back into that.
But no, like spraying into the intake. You know what I mean? Like if I'd
go don't look it up for now.
I'm a little confused now. Alright, that was annoying. Alright, so we got the nitrous line ran, the fuel line. I had to use the little adapter they gave me to thread in to the shredder valve, and then I ran that down just straight up. I'll probably find a different place because that's a little close to the header down there. But I ran that to the fuel line in, and then I just ran these two now for the little, they're like, what were they, 7/16 for the wrench? Yeah. Those are going to run to the intake here. That's good there. Okay, and then I went to the wires. I ran the ground through the fender because I couldn't figure out a spot. I'm going to go through here now, and then I'll ground it here where the hood ground would go. The red I still have to figure out, but the white is hooked to the gray and white. Alright, so the gray and white is what you're going to be tapping that line to. And then that's for your white. And that's ran right back to here. Then the red I still need to figure out. But these two, don't mix them up with the jet. I need to go get the, what was 7/6? I forget the thread pitch. I think it was 11/16. 11/16 thread pitch for the intake over here. I will tap that about here-ish. Like right about here. I will tap that, drill that, screw that in, put the jets in. but I gotta wait because I don't have the drill bit for it. So I'll probably continue this after I get back with the drill bit, and then Donovan will be back, and we'll probably clean the garage out after the install is completely done, because we're super close actually. We have the 2 jets, the wires for the switch for the nitrous, and putting the intake back on, and then nitrous is done. Besides the bracket, I'm gonna redo the bracket now for the bottle, because hey, I have more bolts. I can always put more bolts in. So that is the game plan here. So then they supplied you with a tap, so you can tap the this guy in. So always handy. Yep, kit came with a tap. So, and then wire up the switch here, and everything should be good to go.
What do you think, guys?
Then Donovan's over here cleaning his engine bay. That looks so much better. Like, oh my god. Woo! If you could actually believe this actually looked really dusty and dirty.
I mean, like, pretty much everywhere you see black, you would see dust.
Like, that looks so clean.
How you can kind of see down here. That's about what it looked like, guys,
Yeah,
all
it kind
over.
of literally just this area right here, and now it just looks
Over everything.
really good and
We're still
clean.
getting there, though. We'll get that area.
Yeah, we'll get that area. We'll steam clean it if we have to. But that's looking so much better. What are you doing there, bud?
What up?
What's that?
Hey, got this wire on the outside of the jack and it needs to be on the inside, so I have to lift it up to cut it over it.
Cut it and splice it.
What?
Cut it and splice it.
I'm not cutting it.
Cut it and put it.
Well, all I have to do is lift it up and look at this. You can't splice these ones.
Yeah, you can.
There are 4 wires and they're like the long flat guys.
Yeah, you could
I'm not
easily
about to
cut
splice
that.
all 4 of them when
Wow.
I can just lift it up.
Don't be a girl about this. So we painted the wheels here. Mine came out very nice. And here's Donovan's. He actually went with the gloss, and then I'm a matte, but it looks pretty much the same. I think I pushed that back a little far. But right now, I think I'm going to get finished up the nitrous. I only have a couple things left. I think, run this guy and my jets. So once that's done, I am good to go.